If you want to make money online, whether it's $1 a month or $1 million a month, it doesn't matter. You have to learn digital marketing. There's no way around it because the way we sell things online is completely different than the way we do business offline. So in today's video, guys, we're going to talk about what is digital marketing. We're going to talk about digital marketing versus traditional marketing. We're going to talk about the skill sets that you use in digital marketing. And we're going to talk about how it works. How does this all piece together so that you can actually start making money online? And make sure you stick around to the end, guys, because I've got some great free resources to help you guys get started with digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Simply put, guys, digital marketing is the process of promoting products and services online, whether you are promoting your own products and services or for another business. And products may include digital downloads, physical products, coaching, memberships, audio and video files. Also, products could be digital and they can be physical products. But the process is going to be the same. And there's different ways that you can market your products and services. You have content marketing, which are things like blog posts, videos, ebooks. And then you have email marketing, which is still the most powerful way to make money online. And this is sending out newsletters to your audience. And then you have social media, Facebook groups, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, basically anywhere you can get traffic. And then of course you have paid advertising, Google, Bing, YouTube, Facebook, basically anywhere somebody will take your money, you can run paid ads. Now let's talk about the differences between digital and traditional marketing. Digital marketing utilizes online and electric channels such as websites, social media platforms, search engines, email, and mobile apps. Whereas traditional marketing is going to employ offline channels like television, radio, newspapers, magazines, billboards, and direct mail. Now, one of the really cool things about digital marketing is it allows us more precise targeting and personalization. So we have much better data online. This allows marketers to tailor their messages based on the user behavior, preferences, demographics, and other factors. In traditional marketing, typically you've got a broader targeting range and it can be segmented a little bit, but it's generally less precise compared to how we do things online. I mean, just look at Facebook. They know everything about you. So when you go into Facebook and you want to run an ad, you could literally run an ad for men ages 40 to 43 who were born in the month of January, like CrossFit and eat a keto diet. You can't do that with traditional marketing. That's why digital marketing is so powerful and just such a great way to do business. Also, another great benefit with digital marketing is you have a better interaction with your audience. You can actually engage with your audience. Think about how many times you've commented, you've liked, you share, you send direct messages. Whereas generally with traditional marketing, it's a one-way communication business to the consumer. So interaction is limited, and then typically you get delayed feedback. You can get instant feedback on your products and services from your customers online. Digital marketing skill sets. Now, there's tons of skill sets you use in digital marketing, but these are what I like to think of as the core four when it comes to doing digital marketing and selling your products and services. These are the four that you really want to master to be successful as a digital marketer or doing digital marketing for your business or somebody else's business. The first one is sales funnels. Just think of sales funnels as mini websites. You probably have all gone to a website where you've had to fill in your name and your email in exchange for something for free. That is what we call a lead magnet. We are exchanging information. I'm giving you some information, some content for free that you want, that can help you, and you're giving your email in return. If I just sent you to a traditional website, you've got the About Us tab, the Contact tab, the hours. You have all different types of things. With the sales funnel, it is designed to take your customer through certain steps. So when you go to a sales funnel, you only have one option, and that is to put in your email, or it might be to click a button, or it might even be to put in your credit card information. But there's no other bells and whistles around it. So it takes the customer from being cold to warm to hot. And then you have email marketing. This is really the ultimate goal when it comes to digital marketing. We want to get your email address because that is where you make the money in digital marketing. People just don't watch a video and go and buy your product. They don't just read a blog post and go and buy your product. There's a little bit more warming up that needs to be done. Think about when you went on your first date with your spouse. You didn't go on the first date and say, hey, will you marry me? You had to kind of warm up to that, get to know them a little bit, and then eventually you pop the question. Same thing. So with email marketing, it allows us to build a relationship with our audience, and then eventually we can sell them our products and services. And then you have content creation. So for a lot of us digital marketers, myself included, we need to create content because we simply don't want to pay for advertising. And in my opinion, organic free traffic is the best way to get traffic. So we learn how to master content creation. For me, I've learned how to master YouTube. I've been doing this since 2017. For others, it might be mastering Instagram and Reels. Others, it might be writing and doing blog posts. There's so many different ways that you can create content. And content is there to provide value for our audience. And then copywriting. These are the words that we put in the email. These are the words that we say when we create content. These are the words we write on our sales funnels. These are the words that evoke feeling. We want you to have emotion. We want you to look at something and say, hey, they're talking to me. That is for me. And with copywriting, it teaches you how to take the focus off of yourself and put it in the shoes of your customer. And here's just a kind of a bird's eye view of how this looks. And I'll use myself as an example. YouTube is my main form of content. So I have my YouTube channel. I create content just like this video. And then I might recommend to people during the video, hey, if you want to learn more about digital marketing, then check out my free guide below. And people who are interested in that would go and check it out. They would go to my funnel. They'd have to give me their email address. And then I would then give them the free information. So now I own that email. YouTube doesn't own that email. YouTube owns all my views and all that kind of stuff. But once they're off of YouTube and in my email list, I own that. So now I can email them every single day if I want to. I can send all different types of offers, education, live events, coaching, whatever I want. And that is where the real money is made. So you create content. You send them to your funnel where you exchange an email, typically for what we call a lead magnet, which is a free gift. It could be a guide, it could be a how-to, could be a video, could be a course, could be anything of value. And then we get them on our email list. Now, if you guys want to dive deeper into digital marketing and learn how to do all this, I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm practicing what I preach here. Check the link below. You can download my free guide where I dive deeper into digital marketing, how to do this, how to set it up, even share with you guys some ideas, some tips, as well as the same training that I took. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.